Mushroom recipe I'm sharing, which you can use as a cheat diet also.
Stir fry mushroom, heat the pan and just fry it without oil, without water. Dry roast is done and now I will add some white oil or vegetable oil. Simmer the heat. Ginger garlic chop. So the aroma is heaven, and I love to prepare food sometimes with leftover veggies. And now I will add this onion, and then I have this chili vinegar. I prepared it, so I will add this. And now I will add some chili sauce. It's not hot chili sauce, it's tangy. So chili sauce is there. After that I have tomato ketchup. I love it, so I'm adding it. So mix it well and in high heat cook for 1 or 2 minutes. And I have this all-in-one stir fry sauce, so I will add, it's around 1.5 teaspoon. So another good stir in a high heat. I forgot to add this capsicum. This is optional. I love it, so I'm adding it. Here you can add green chili if you want, but I don't want, that's why I'm not adding. And little bit of salt. Not much, because these sauces, they have already the salty flavor, so I'm not adding much. And it's done. So I'll finish it off with spring onion greens. And that's it. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. So the simple stir fry mushroom is done. It's very quick, very easy. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. Go through my YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and Instagram, that is only Madhurima's Kitchen. Omit the only part, Madhurima's Kitchen, and Facebook Madhurima's Kitchen, Google. That's it. I'm going to enjoy this Chinese takeout.